Many Arizona schools began this school year doing distance learning, which has been proven to present unique challenges among students and their families. Jacob Holter spoke with Democratic Senator Kyrsten Sinema about her plan to alleviate some of the hardship.
One side effect of distance learning is that students no longer have direct access to a school nurse. This disproportionately affects low-income households as they may not have the means to have regular wellness checkups. Senator Sinema detailed why this is important to her and what she and Colorado Senator Cory Gardner are doing to help.
So what we've done is introduce legislation that urges leaders to include telehealth services in the next coronavirus relief package. This is important because right now, over 2.8 million Arizonans live in areas that don't have enough primary care providers. So we need more telehealth in our schools so that students in these areas can get access to primary care doctors and health services.
Robin Schaefer, the executive director of the Arizona Nurses Association, was extremely supportive of the senator's plans to include this bill in the next COVID relief package and talked the important role school nurses play in the lives of students.
Well, school nurses are integral in caring for our children at any age, K through 12 and even in college. In the lower grades, the elementary schools, the school nurses are the go-to person for the little kiddies, and they're lacking that now. And as they get older, they're visiting the school nurse for various ailments, but it's not just ailments. The school nurses support our students not only physically but emotionally, psychologically. We nurses see things through the comprehensive lens of not just physical, and we know that our children are really struggling.
In order for students and families to get access to these services, though, Congress must first pass the package. Sinema spoke critically of her colleagues and urged them to put politics aside for the sake of American families.
Well, unfortunately, as folks have seen in the national news media, leadership in both political parties have allowed partisan gains to get in the way of the next coronavirus relief package. Even though it's months overdue and families and businesses across the country are relying on us to help, it looks like leaders have decided to focus on partisan politics in the election instead of getting this done.
Sinema says she hopes the bill will be included in the next coronavirus relief package and that she and Senator Gardner believe it could happen in the next couple of months. In the broadcast center, Jacob Holter, Cronkite News.